Okay, it turned out that the locomotive cradle I realized was too small because it wasn't long enough to reach all the way from the back to the front of this tender, which you can see here. It's pretty long. It's a pretty big engine for HO scale. I'm not sure the manufacturer, but it has some brass components, some white metal components. I'm gonna guess that this is a Penn line and or a Bowser kit. And whoever built it did a nice job. I guess the only thing they didn't do was finish painting it. So I got this old throttle pack, beautiful transformer back here. Putting it up to some considerable juice. And I want to see if we can get this thing to work. Now it's kind of easy back here. I'm just going to put one of these leads onto this brass connector. As long as that holds, we're good. And now I just have to see sometimes these old trains just don't want to start up. Now I can tell that this has got to be the live wheel. It's not working. According to the tender, the insulated wheels are on this side because they have the white. So this is live. Strange. Very strange. Don't tell me it's got both leads coming from the back. That would be really weird. No, it can't be. Only one wire coming through. Alright. So I connect this on here somehow. Just have to get the connection. Oh, she wants to run. If you can get a better picture from here. Let's try reverse. Interesting. Doesn't want to go in reverse. Very weird. Could be a little binding. Time for the famous lubrication. Be right back.